Hey, Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. Quick tip for all of the new NLP affiliates out there. Whether you're a current vendor thinking about becoming a vendor, come sell your products with us. If you are already, great. Back to all the new affiliates. The tip of the day is make sure you go through the training. It's free. It'll help you out, it'll help us out, it helps everybody out to know what you're talking about, know what you're selling, and referring people to purchase, okay? The No Limit Products membership vendor program enables you to sell unlimited products at a flat 6% rate. Much more affordable than Amazon, okay? So switch over, come save money, make more money, profit more. Go through the training if you are an affiliate, okay? Go through the training. It's about a $2,000 value training platform designed just for our affiliates, okay? 100% free to you guys. So as soon as you log in, it's on the dashboard, the affiliate dashboard. About in the middle, I believe, is the training tab. Tons of videos, PDF documents, the works. Let me know of any questions in the comment section below. If you've not gotten started with No Limit Products yet, you've got everything you need in the description below. Austin Mayfield. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications. Give this video a thumbs up. Austin Mayfield, thanks.